The singles competition for the men and women at the 2025 US Open is underway as the best players in the world converge on Flushing, New York, for the final Grand Slam of the season. On the men's side, it is once again expected to come down to no. 1 seed Jannik Sinner and no. 2 seed Carlos Alcaraz, as they have faced off in the last 2 Grand Slam finals and split them, with Alcaraz winning the French Open and Sinner is the defending champion, as he defeated American Taylor Fritz in straight sets in the 2024 final, and has been dominant all season, with the exception of some finals against Alcaraz. Their most recent meeting was an Alcaraz win in a walkover in the Cincinnati Masters final, as Sinner withdrew while battling an illness. The first major upset happened on Tuesday on the women's side when reigning Australian Open champion and no. 6 seed Madison Keys went down in 3 sets against unheralded upstart Renata Zarazua of Mexico. It was a wild battle that saw Keys commit an astounding 89 unforced errors. After a strong start to the year, Keys has really struggled to find a rhythm. After twice making it to the semifinals, 2018 and 2023, and one final 2017 at this tournament, the American will have to wait another year to see if she can recapture that magic. Keep it locked here over the next 2 weeks for our complete coverage of the 2025 US Open.